Hindu community in Thailand stages peaceful demonstration at Bangladesh Embassy in Bangkok. On August 16, 2024, the Hindu community in Thailand organized a peaceful protest in front of the Bangladesh Embassy in Bangkok, advocating for the safety and rights of Hindus in Bangladesh. The demonstration saw the participation of over 300 people who gathered to voice their concerns and call for an end to the atrocities against Hindus. Despite heavy rainfall during the event, the Hindu community showed remarkable resilience and strength, standing firm in their commitment to the cause. The weather did little to dampen their spirits as they continued their peaceful demonstration with unwavering determination. The protest march began at 2:30 p.m. from Ekamai Soi 23 and concluded at the Embassy of Bangladesh on Ekamai Road. Participants carried placards bearing powerful messages such as, "Save humanity first, stop the atrocities. Hindu life matters, united for peace and dignity. Speak up, act now, Hindu life matters. All eyes on Hindus in Bangladesh. Sacred sites matter. Safeguard Hindu temples/shrines. Respect Hindu temples, sanctuaries of peace and heritage." As the protest reached the embassy, the authorities permitted 3 representatives from the Vishva Hindu Parishad, VHP, Thailand to enter and hold discussions with the embassy head. The representatives, Sushil Shroff, Jay Shankar, and Ganesh Pandey, conveyed the concerns of the Hindu community to the embassy officials while the peaceful protesters awaited the outcome of the talks outside the gates. The protest was conducted in a calm and orderly manner, reflecting the community's commitment to peaceful advocacy. The Hindu community in Thailand remains united in its efforts to support the protection of Hindu lives and cultural heritage in Bangladesh, showcasing their strength even in the face of challenging weather conditions.